Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the quiet luxury vibe. I'm going to show you how to achieve an elegant, soft glam makeup look that looks super high-end and expensive. So, let's start. So, starting with the eyes, I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette and apply the lightest shade into the crease just to add a bit of dimension. I'm going to blend it out really well so it stays super natural. To brighten up the eyes, I'm applying a touch of KIKO Milano highlighter on my eyelids. It's lovely and delicate, so it gives a very nature glow. Next, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way palette. I'll take the darkest shade, Black Sand, and use it to create a liner just halfway across the lid. This way, I can keep that soft, natural finish I'm aiming for. Next step is mascara. I'm using my absolute favorite waterproof mascara, the Maybelline Classic Volume Express. After that, I'm going to apply some cat eye false lashes. The lashes are completely optional, of course, but since this is a luxury makeup look, I want to add a touch of glam. Now it's time to do my face. I'm going to be mixing a little bit of MAC Stroke Cream and a little bit of Giorgio Armani Luminescent Foundation because for me, quiet luxury makeup is something elegant, something glowy, and I want the finish, so I'm going to be mixing that and doing that on my face. I love using the Giorgio Armani Luminescent Foundation because it's more natural on the skin and it looks like you're wearing almost nothing, so that's why I love it. And for quiet luxury makeup, it's the perfect choice if you want this finish on the skin. For my concealer, I'm going to be using this Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm going to be using less concealer than I normally do because I want more natural finish, more glowy finish, so that's why I'm using less than normally. And of course, I'm blending this with my beauty blender. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite MAC bronzer. It's more on the natural side, so that's why I love it for that type of makeup. I'm also going to be contouring my nose a little bit. I'm going to be using my holy grail setting powder. It's from Makeup Forever. It's the best guys. Now I'm letting the powder sit for about 5 minutes and I'll be right back. So now we're going to be brushing the excess powder off the face. So I'm going to be using a clean brush and I'm just fluffing that out. So now I'm going to be using a KIKO Couture highlighter. You can see it's a pretty color. It shines so bright and it's so perfect. So I'm going to be using that. Next, I'm applying the stunning Lancome Pink Blush, which I'm layering right on top of the bronzer. Yes, it's so beautiful. I can get over this like Lancome palette. It's so nice. The color and the finish of this blush is so unreal. Now I'm gonna finish the eyes. I'm going to be using the lighter shade that we used before, and I'm going a little bit like underneath my waterline. Put this as close as you can to your waterline for more like natural finish. And now I'm going to be using the best mascara ever. It's the Maybelline Classic Volume Express, and I'm using only a little bit and mostly focusing on the outer corner. So now I'm going to be doing my lips. I don't know if I want something like more pinky toned or something like more nude toned, so I have to decide. So I've decided that I will do something more like nude toned because we want like more glowy and more natural look. So yeah, I'm going to be using more like nudie colors, but I also think that like the pink colors would be like perfect for that look also. So I'm going to be using the Essence Soft and Precise Lip Liner, which is like the perfect nude color, as you can see. Guys, maybe I think I want to use any lipstick today. I don't know, I have to decide, but I like it like as it is right now. Maybe I will put a little bit of like lip gloss. I use this KIKO Milano Hot Couture. It's number 1, I think. Yeah, number 1. It's like pinky tone, you can see, so I like it. Only to the center of my lips. And this is the final look. I have to say that I absolutely love how this turned out. I love how elegant it is. Normally, I'm more of a glam girl, so this is quite natural for me, but it still has that touch of glam, so which is why I adore it. I definitely think I found my new go-to summer makeup. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.